Hello everyone, today I have a wonderful homemade recipe for you. With continued use, kitchen dishes become greasy and difficult to clean over time. Today I will teach you how to make a powerful mix that I am sure will surprise you. We will need neutral soap paste, which we will grate and dissolve completely in a container. You can use any brand you prefer. The soap will give a thick consistency and a rich aroma to our mixture. Once grated, it should look like this. I'll set it aside and take a pan, and add 500 milliliters of lemon liquid detergent. The detergent is used to clean bacteria and give it a foamy touch. If you don't have lemon, you can use any other detergent you have on hand. I chose lemon to give the mixture a lemony scent. I'll set it aside and take the lemon juice powder and mix it with 500 milliliters of water. Lemon juice contains citric acid that helps to remove bacteria and grease. After mixing it well, I will add it to the pan and stir it thoroughly. Then I will bring the pan to a simmer, stirring continuously to avoid clumps. I want to take this opportunity to send a special greeting to Mary Gorman from San Diego. Thank you for watching our videos. Once everything has dissolved, I'll turn off the stove and let it cool for a few minutes. Then, I'll take a 300 milliliters container and pour the mixture into it. I'll cover it and let it rest for 12 hours. After 12 hours, you will see how the texture has turned out. Perfect for a degreasing detergent just like the one sold in the market. This detergent has a powerful degreasing effect that will help you remove dirt from your kitchen dishes. For demonstration purposes, I'll take a kitchen sponge and apply some of our degreaser to it. Then, I'll take a pot and scrub it as usual. The degreaser is super powerful and foamy, leaving the pots very shiny. Now, I'll give you another piece of advice. This product is so effective that you can even prepare it in small 100 milliliters jars and, depending on your region, sell it at an affordable price for some extra income. This could be especially helpful during difficult times. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this.